Okay, so as you can see, the e-bike's got no mud guards. You might have watched one of my other videos where I made a custom mud guard for the front. Now because it's got a fatter tyre on, it won't fit, and there's nothing for the back either, and I want a bit of this here with the battery there protected. So it's time to make some mud guards, or at least make some fit. We've got a front mud guard split in two, and it don't fit. So when you put it on there like that, it touches the wheel. Got a massive, oh the light's on, got a massive back mud guard that won't fit, so it needs cutting down and customising to fit. Let's get stuck into it. Come on, over here. Come over here. Let's go by. Here's a mountain bike mudguard. I'm going to fit it here, where you can see these two bolts. One there and one there. It's going to go on there like that, cut down to about there. I haven't got loads of time, just going to do a quick job on it. Okay, going to cut it now. Job's a good one. Get rid of that. Drew black lines on it. Time to get the Dremel out. Got the Dremel on it. Cut it to contour. Same on the other side. All in that side. All in that side. Gonna fit it now. That's it. Fitted. Bolt there. Now you can see why I put these contours in it. It's not tightened up completely, but that's it. Even managed to keep a back LED light. Right, I'm going to take it off now and draw a design on it. I'll catch up with you later. been varnished, lacquered, whatever you want to call it. It's got a sheen to it now. Let's fit it on. That's it for tonight.